How to delete saved searches on Facebook Marketplace. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can delete saved searches on Facebook Marketplace. For this, open the Facebook app on your device. You can download this by heading over to App Store or Play Store. Make sure to sign into your account. Once you have opened this, in order to access your Facebook Marketplace, tap on this icon over here. Once you tap on this, you will land on the Facebook Marketplace. Now tap on the search icon at the top right corner of your screen. Over here, you have two tabs, recent and saved searches. On the saved searches, you can find all of your searches that you have saved. Tap on any one that you want to delete. Once you tap on this, you simply want to tap on the bookmark icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now this pop-up will appear. Tap on the unsave option. As soon as you tap on the unsaved option, that particular search will be successfully deleted. And in this way, you can delete saved searches on Facebook Marketplace. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.